Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the secrets of the wealthy. We'll explore 9 common financial pitfalls that hold people back and uncover the strategies the rich use to build lasting wealth. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to avoid these traps and take control of your financial future. But before we start, please consider this. The information given on this channel is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Before you do anything in this video or on this channel, please ask a professional. Pitfall number 1. Risky gambles versus calculated investments. Let's face it, we all dream of getting rich quick. But the wealthy know that true wealth comes from calculated risks, not blind gambles. They understand the balance between risk and reward. Think Warren Buffett. He doesn't throw money at the latest hot stock without understanding the potential risks. He weighs the odds and makes informed decisions. The average person sees a flashy investment promising sky-high returns and jumps in head first. But remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The next time you consider an investment, take a step back. Analyze the risks, weigh the potential rewards, and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Comment "I will be rich," and I personally give you a heart. Thank you so much for this. Pitfall number 2. Owning a house versus investing flexibility. We're often told homeownership is a key to success. But the wealthy understand it's not always the best path. They consider renting a viable option. It frees up capital for other investments and offers flexibility. Imagine owning a house during a market crash or a job loss. Not ideal. Many people see renting as throwing money away. But remember, owning a home comes with a long list of expenses: property taxes, maintenance, etc. Renting can be a smart way to outsource those headaches. Homeownership can be great, but it's not the only path. Explore renting as an option and invest your money elsewhere, potentially for a better return. Pitfall number 3. One income source versus multiple income streams. Life throws curveballs. The wealthy don't rely on just one income source. They have multiple streams flowing, creating a safety net. Think side hustles, rental properties, or passive income investments. This ensures financial stability, even if one source dries up. Many people rely solely on a paycheck, leaving them vulnerable in case of job loss or illness. Having no backup plan exposes them to financial hardship. Develop multiple income streams. It provides security and can accelerate your wealth building journey. These are just the first 3 pitfalls. Stay tuned for the rest after a short break. Please subscribe and visit my channel, as there are many valuable videos about investing in cryptocurrency, stocks, real estate, or bonds. There are also about making money, being financially free, and managing your money. We're back. Pitfall number 4. Shiny objects versus real assets. The wealthy invest in real assets, like real estate and gold. These have tangible value and historical stability. Think about it: you can rent out a property, sell it later, or even live in it yourself. These are assets you can control. Flashy, high-risk investments can be tempting. But remember, they may not deliver the stability and growth you seek. Focus on real assets that offer long-term value and a sense of control over your investment. There's more. We'll cover the remaining pitfalls in a flash. These remaining pitfalls are covered quickly, like bullet points. Pitfall number 5. Blind spending versus not knowing where your money goes. The wealthy track their expenses. They know where every dollar goes. Not doing so is like trying to fill a leaky bucket. Your money disappears. Pitfall number 6. Investing blindly versus doing your research. Don't jump into investments you don't understand. The wealthy research and learn before committing their hard-earned cash. Pitfall number 7. Debt burden versus strategic borrowing. Debt can be a tool, but a dangerous one. The wealthy use debt strategically, like leveraging it to invest in assets that appreciate. Avoid getting in over your head with bad debt. Pitfall number 8. Tax neglect versus smart tax strategies. Taxes are inevitable, but the wealthy know how to minimize them. Explore tax-deferred accounts, deductions, and consult professionals if needed. Don't leave money on the table. It takes less than a second and helps a lot if you leave a like and subscribe to my channel. You can also help by sharing my videos with your friends or family. Thank you so much for this. Pitfall number 9. Stagnant knowledge versus continuous learning. The wealthy are lifelong learners. They stay informed about financial trends, investment opportunities, and tax laws. Dedicate time to learn and grow your financial knowledge. Building wealth isn't just about avoiding mistakes. It's about adopting a proactive, and growth-oriented mindset. The rich prioritize financial literacy, make informed decisions, and take action towards their goals. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort. By avoiding these pitfalls and adopting the strategies of the wealthy, you have the power to break free from financial limitations and build a life of abundance. By avoiding these pitfalls, adopting the habits of the wealthy, and taking action today, you can unlock your full financial potential and become a true financial boss. You'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Stay focused, learn from your mistakes, and adapt your strategies as needed. Consistency and a commitment to continuous learning are key to your financial success. Like this video for more financial tips. Subscribe for more content. And leave a comment below with your biggest financial challenge. Let's build a supportive community. Thanks for watching. And see you on the next one.